Can you really get an apartment in Houston, Texas that looks like this? The short answer to that question is absolutely. I'll be more than happy to give you guys the details. Make sure you stay around to this video. Let's get into it. First and foremost, I want to thank everybody for tuning into this video. I got an outpouring of questions, love, support, and even some negative comments on TikTok and regarding can you find apartments like this in the Houston area. Before I get into the details about this particular property, I just want to first start off by saying, let's keep this a very respectful community. All of the information that I've provided to you is 100% true, honest, and legit without any scams. Also, keep in mind that COVID-19 has impacted many of us in one way or another. There are people who have lost their jobs. There are people who had to relocate. So just to give my blessings back and give information that I've used in the past, I want to share this valuable information to all people, whether you qualify or not. So just keep that in mind moving forward. Now let's get into today's property that I'll be discussing. First of all, this is a newly built property. The property actually opened up this year, 2022. There are not a lot of units that are taken at the moment. TikTok, I did let you guys know that these apartments do offer 1, 2, and 3 bedrooms that were actually going for $397 a month. Although that is factual information, it is legit, guys. Unfortunately, the complex does not have any more apartments going for that rate. I did get an opportunity to talk to the wonderful property manager, and these are the exact words from the property manager here. So guys, I actually have the property manager of Xoxoterre Apartments here, and she could verify to you guys that yes, the apartments does start at $397. However, they only have $843 available.
Yes, that is correct. We have 1 bedrooms right now at $843. The square footages range from 755 square feet to 887 square feet.
All right, thank you so very much. So their rent limits have changed a bit. They're actually going off the 60% percentile. Therefore, if you were looking to rent a 1 bedroom apartment, it would be $843, which is still an awesome price compared to what I was paying, about $1,500 recently for a 1 bedroom apartment that was way smaller. A 2 bedroom is going for $1,007. A 3 bedroom can be rented at $1,161. Typically with income restricted apartments, you are responsible for your rent, your lights, and they will actually provide the water and pay the water bill for you. So that's what I did like. You didn't have to worry about your water bill being paid because again, it is included with a tax credit property. Now, when it comes to tax credit, there are some limits as it relates to how much you make. I'll go ahead and insert a sheet here for this particular property. Now that we have covered the income limits, the rent limits, as well as the security deposit and some more valuable information, we'll go ahead and get into a few comments that I received on TikTok. So comments on TikTok was like, so these are not 15 to 20 minutes away from the Galleria. They're actually 7 minutes away, which is less than 10 minutes. I can totally understand why you would think these are roach infested with the cheap prices, but these are not. They're actually brand new. I'm so happy to know that somebody knows this is legit. Just to address those comments, no, this is not a roach infested property. This property, again, just opened in 2022. It is brand new. No, this is not a scam. And yes, it does go off of your income as indicated. Again, this information is for all. All of the properties that I'll be included are not tax credit, does not necessarily go off of your income. So you want to make sure that you come back and check out more information. Anytime you think this information is too good to be true, keep in mind that it's not. I personally use this information. I'll do a story time about that soon. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. Also share with your family members and your friends, because at this time, I believe that a lot of us can use some help from somewhere. And if you're not from Houston, Texas, and you're thinking about moving to Houston, please don't listen to those folks that said, oh, we're crowded here. Truth is, Texas, Houston, Dallas, or all of Texas for that matter, we are crowded. However, my slogan is, there are many places to build, and there are many positions to fill. So come on out to Houston. Again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.